Welcome back to CarScope, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of automobiles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Volvo XC90, a luxury SUV that continues to push boundaries with its design, technology, and sustainability. The 2026 XC90 is more than just a facelift. It's a bold step forward in Volvo's evolution. At first glance, you'll notice a refined, modern exterior. The iconic Thor's hammer LED headlights are sharper than ever, and the front grille has been redesigned to reflect Volvo's transition toward electrification. Clean lines, sculpted surfaces, and aerodynamic improvements give the XC90 a confident yet elegant stance. It's still instantly recognizable as a Volvo, just smarter and sleeker, under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor. Things get even more interesting. The 2026 XC90 offers a fully electric variant alongside the traditional plug-in hybrid model. The EV version delivers over 400 horsepower and impressive torque, offering strong acceleration while maintaining that signature Volvo smoothness with a range estimated to be around 350 miles on a full charge. It's perfect for both city commutes and long-distance road trips. Charging is fast too, with DC fast charging giving you up to 80% battery in about 30 minutes. Inside the cabin is where the XC90 truly shines. Volvo has always been about Scandinavian luxury, and the 2026 model takes it to another level. Sustainable materials like wool blends, natural wood, and recycled plastics come together to create a premium, eco-conscious environment. The centerpiece is a large vertical touchscreen running Volvo's latest Google-powered infotainment system, complete with voice commands, real-time Google Maps, and access to the Play Store. It's intuitive, fast, and always connected. Safety, of course, remains a cornerstone of the XC90. The 2026 model debuts Volvo's next-gen driver assistance suite, which includes enhanced autonomous driving capabilities for highway cruising, improved blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system with AI-based collision prevention. Volvo even added interior sensors to monitor driver attention and prevent distracted driving, a thoughtful addition for family-focused buyers. With seating for up to 7, generous cargo space, and a quiet, composed ride, the new XC90 delivers on both luxury and practicality. It's a statement car, not just for what it offers today, but for what it represents, Volvo's future. If you're in the market for a premium SUV that blends performance, sustainability, and cutting-edge tech, the 2026 Volvo XC90 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching CarScope. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the cars that matter. See you in the next one.